Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. In today's lecture, we will discuss about how to analyze data using MS Excel 365. Okay, and Excel has some amazing tool to help you make the sense of your data. For example, I have some demo data here. If you want to, calculate income, expenditure, let me just show you. Okay, if you just select all and go to data and apply filter. Okay, apply filter, and if you want to calculate the income, be sure that it is selected all the numbers. Okay, it is selected all their income. Then go to number filter, then go to what you want to calculate. Just click on that. If I want to calculate greater than, just click on greater than, let's say 45,000. Click on OK. So here are some names whose income is greater than 45,000. Okay, and according to your need, you can just apply what you want. Okay, less than, between, top 10, average, above average, below average. Okay, so let me just show you one thing more. So the filter method can hard to get insights, and if I tell you that I have a some simple method to get the data and to get the useful insights, that is, go to data. Firstly, you have to select all this data, then click on analyze data. Firstly, you can click on analyze data. Okay, now see the magic, guys. All the insights are here in the form of graphs. Okay, just let me just read it for you. Age, income, expenditure by nature. So secondary is y-axis and it is showing in thousand. Okay, frequency of income, you can analyze it by the chart. Okay, expenditure by name. Let me click on show all 15 result. Let's see what are the 15 results. Okay, uh, so guys, it calculated correlations. Okay, it calculated correlations also, expenditure and income. Between expenditure and income, it shows income in thousand. Okay, it shows age and field. Income highly correlated. Okay, expenditure by name, frequency of expenditure, income, expenditure by nature. Okay, it shows a lot of data for you. You can get insights easily from it. Let me just show you. If you want to let me just insert this chart. Okay, we want to insert this chart, and now it is showing the relation between age, income, expenditure by their name. Okay, their age is showing in y-axis and their name is showing on x-axis. Blue color is age, orange is income, and gray is showing expenditure. So here you can easily analyze this. Okay, let me just show you another chart. you know uh, See the correlations between variables. Okay, so what does the correlation means? If you want to measure the strength of the linear relationship between two or more variables. Okay, if the correlation is highly, it is written that it is highly correlated. Highly correlated means it shows the strong relationship. Meanwhile, if it is weak correlation, then it is hardly relatable, means it does not relatable. Okay, it is highly correlated means By increasing their age, the expenditure is also increasing. Okay, let me just show you income chart. Okay, uh, okay, firstly remove this chart. Okay, cut this chart, and this is income chart. Okay, this is income chart. Okay. Okay, you can change this chart according to your need. Means if you want to show it on pie chart, you can select the pie chart. Okay, if you want to show this on area chart, this you can show it on area chart. If you want to show it on scatter chart, you can show it on scatter chart. Okay, according to your need, you can show the chart. Okay. Uh, some suggested questions are also here, like percentage of total income for each department, total expenditure for name excluding care lot. Okay, let me just show you. This chart is showing percentage of income by department. Okay, let me just back it. If you want to ask any question, like let me show you. If I want to ask, correlation between uh, income and let's say expenditure. Okay, expenditure. Submit the question. Okay. So guys, here is the magic. Here's our answer showing correlation insights for income and expenditure. Okay, you can insert the chart and get the insight, guys. It is highly correlated. Means expenditure is showing on y-axis and income is showing on x-axis. Okay. So if you want to calculate the correlation, then if the expenditure is increases, thus the income is also increasing. So it means it is highly correlation between these two variables. Means showing a strong relationship. Okay. So guys, that's it for the today. I hope you just like the session and keep watching and keep learning. And don't forget to subscribe Web Magnet Hub. Okay. Thank you. Bye.